祐漢新村第三街 rotates the barrier. Oh, 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 Walking Macau rotates the barrier. Oh, 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 Walking Macau. Oh, oh, trace the barrier. Yeah, 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 I'm just walking in Macau. Yeah, 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 I'm just walking in Macau. No, 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 never get bored in Macau. No, 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 never get bored in Macau. Rua Três the Barrio, huh? Up by the border. Rua Três the Barrio, huh? Oh, oh, street up by the border. Yeah, 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 I'm just walking in Macau. Yeah, 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 I'm just walking in Macau. No, 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 never get bored in Macau. No, 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 never get bored in Macau.
Okay, this is Três de Bairro Home. So this is a tiny little alley. We're gonna walk through it. Let me give you a little context. We're in this little Home area right in here. So that's actually a marketplace down that way, and this whole space is this Home. We're gonna put it up on the map so you know exactly where we are, and then we're gonna explore down this little alley and try to document this particular street as well. So the Três Street, 3rd Street of the Home neighborhood, up on the map. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so that's the name of the street right there. Let's just go back a little bit. And this is all this kind of Home. I will just kind of give you the full context of it before we go down it. The street is a little bit short. There's a marketplace down in that way as well. So we're going to check it all out. Let's go on down. Got tons of wires and all kinds of stuff in here. Apartments. Got all those wiring. So you got tons of wiring everywhere. Okay. Let me see what else. We do have a little cross street. I don't know if this is number 7 or another one. I'm also looking for one called 7 as well. But I think this might all, sometimes the street names could be a little bit confusing. So there's still 3. But whatever it is, we'll just follow it all the way down. And I think it's gonna go past this. They're doing some construction, so we'll try to work our way around that too, and just all the way down that way. Down that way. So I guess what we'll do, there's the office. We'll go around it, and then we'll keep going. So no matter what, you get to see 3, kind of get a little bit of context. Shenqiu. Oh, now we're on 7. So this is actually number 7. I was actually looking for 7 earlier. We'll come back and do that separately. And then this one, let me just see. This comes out to kind of a fruit market in here, as you can see. Hello. Hello. Okay. Pretty cool. That's sounds good. Sounds good. Thank you. We got the prices are 5 yuan and 10. Okay. That sounds good. Oh, the apple. That's good. Thank you. Okay, so we're gonna keep on strolling down. And I think that number 3, I think it continues, so we're gonna find out in a minute. kind of walk to the other side. I might as well give you some context if we're in this Ion home. You can buy little electronics too. Keys. And there's more all the way down. So we kind of came through those buildings, and we're gonna try to go through on that side too. We'll just see if we fail, then you just get a better context of what the 3 street looks like. Let's go across here. That might have been the end of it. We'll see in a moment. Okay. So let's continue down. And they're building all this construction right here. So I don't know if this building, I don't know, we went through that. We'll go down and see if we can find the context of. So I think we came down that little alley between these 2 buildings. You can barely see it through the construction. And then I think that 3 might continue. On the map, it looked like it would go through this construction area and then continue down this street right here. But this might be something different. So we'll just kind of see. Whatever it is, it's definitely worth filming. So yeah, I think the 3 was through these 2, then through that little alley, and then that's all construction right there. And then this is like inside of an apartment, inside of a block. We'll just capture all of it anyways. And we'll go all the way through it. Electronics. Lots of electronic stuff. So this whole looks like electronics building. And it keeps on going all the way over here. So we'll follow it all the way down. Fruit shop. Yeah, by the border there's kind of a different, unique sets of stuff. The gathering. There's actually the name of the restaurant. Gathering. And there's even, these are like the Macau references, these little things. Let me just see if those are, oh, those are heavy. Those are the real ones. Okay. So now we've just, we basically definitely have walked through it, and we're not too far from the border right in here. So we give a little bit of context. There's the gathering right there. Some street. And we basically walked all the way down. So we're gonna end the video, and that's another slice of Macau.